Welcome, students. In this lecture we will use RichText box for texting some parts in a game. When your characters are in initial position, you have some text. After that, when he go to another position, you have other text. You found some tools. This can be good for hut building. When I obtain wood planks. And when your character move forward, this text can be changed. Also, when character move back, text also need to be changed, because you cannot write again that character found tools because he found. Also here you can change some things. This will be very easily created with RichTextLabel. As you know, in a previous lesson we use RichTextLabel with set text. In initial screen you get text from your RichLabel text here, but in a coding, when you again come to this space, you need to use this syntax: RichTextLabel set text, and then you can write some text. This is explained in this situation. You found some tools. This can be good for hut building when I obtain wood planks. This is here. Also some initial text can be added here. When you come to this place but without tools, so some other option. Also you can put text in other fields if you like it. And this will be all for this lecture. Experiment with this with RichTextLabel. You can write adventure as you like, or a game as you like, when your character moves in this point-click turn-based game. And you can experiment with this conditional branching or without conditional branching as you like. Thank you for watching. We will continue with this in the next lecture. Goodbye.